The concept of the AI singularity, a hypothetical point when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, has long captivated scientists, philosophers, and science fiction enthusiasts. This idea, often depicted in science fiction, envisions a future where machines not only match but exceed human cognitive abilities, leading to a profound transformation of society. This transformative event could reshape civilization, ushering in unprecedented technological advancement and societal change. Imagine cities where AI manages everything from traffic to healthcare, creating efficiencies and innovations previously thought impossible. At the forefront of this AI revolution stands OpenAI, a leading research laboratory whose developments have propelled us closer to this singularity. Their groundbreaking work in machine learning and neural networks is pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. OpenAI's mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. They aim to create AI that can solve complex global challenges, from climate change to healthcare, making the world a better place for everyone. However, their pursuits have ignited debate about the potential consequences of creating AI that could surpass our intelligence. Ethical considerations and the risk of unintended consequences are at the forefront of these discussions. The rapid pace of AI development has fueled speculation about the proximity of the singularity. With each breakthrough, the timeline for achieving AGI seems to shrink, raising both excitement and concern. Some experts believe AGI could emerge within the next few decades, while others think it remains further on the horizon. The debate continues as we navigate this uncharted territory, pondering the future of humanity in an AI-driven world. OpenAI, co-founded by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and other tech figures, has emerged as a leading force in the pursuit of AGI. Unlike narrow AI, which excels at specific tasks, AGI aims to replicate human cognitive abilities, enabling AI to understand, learn, and reason across various domains. OpenAI's researchers are developing cutting-edge algorithms and models, pushing AI's boundaries. They believe AGI can solve pressing challenges like climate change, disease, and poverty. However, OpenAI acknowledges the potential risks associated with AGI and emphasizes developing it safely and responsibly. To mitigate risks, OpenAI is engaged in AI safety research, exploring techniques for controlling and aligning AGI. OpenAI's O3 model represents a significant milestone in AI development. This powerful language model, trained on a massive dataset, has demonstrated remarkable capabilities in natural language processing, code generation, and problem solving. The O3 model's ability to generate human-quality text, translate languages, and answer questions has captivated researchers and the public. Its impressive performance stems from its sophisticated architecture and training methodology. Utilizing a deep learning technique known as a transformer network, the O3 model processes and understands relationships between words and concepts with remarkable accuracy. This enables it to generate text that is grammatically correct, contextually relevant, and semantically meaningful. The O3 model's capabilities extend to applications like code generation, scientific research, and creative writing. As AI technology advances, AI agents are poised to play an increasingly prominent role in the workforce. These agents are not just limited to simple tasks. They are evolving to handle more complex responsibilities that were once thought to be exclusively human domains. These intelligent software programs can automate tasks, analyze data, and make decisions with greater efficiency and accuracy than humans. They can sift through vast amounts of information in seconds, providing insights that would take humans much longer to uncover. The integration of AI agents into various industries is transforming the way we work and interact with technology. From healthcare to finance, and from manufacturing to customer service, AI is making its presence felt. AI agents are well suited for tasks that are repetitive, data-intensive, or require precision. They excel in environments where consistency and accuracy are paramount, reducing the likelihood of human error. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are automating assembly lines, improving productivity and reducing errors. These robots can work tirelessly, ensuring that production processes run smoothly and efficiently. In finance, AI algorithms analyze market trends, manage investments, and detect fraud. They provide financial analysts with tools to make more informed decisions, enhancing the overall performance of financial institutions. In customer service, AI chatbots provide instant support, answering questions and resolving issues around the clock. This ensures that customers receive timely assistance, improving their overall experience. The rise of AI agents has sparked both excitement and concern about job displacement and economic disruption. While AI offers numerous benefits, it also raises important questions about the future of work and the role of humans in an increasingly automated world. OpenAI envisions a future where AGI transforms society in profound and positive ways, revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact with technology. They believe AGI can unlock solutions to humanity's greatest challenges, from curing diseases to advancing space exploration, making the impossible possible. AGI is seen not merely as a tool, but as a powerful partner that can augment human capabilities, enhancing creativity, productivity, and innovation. OpenAI aims to ensure that AGI's benefits are widely distributed and accessible to all, bridging gaps and fostering inclusivity. They are committed to developing AGI safely, responsibly, and ethically, working to mitigate potential risks and ensure long-term benefits. By fostering collaboration, transparency, and open dialogue, OpenAI believes we can navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by AGI, creating a better future for all. However, some experts caution against the potential risks of creating AI systems that could surpass human intelligence, urging for careful oversight. They emphasize the importance of careful planning, ethical considerations, and robust safety measures to ensure AGI remains aligned with human values, safeguarding our future. As we venture into advanced AI, addressing ethical considerations and potential risks is crucial. The development of AI systems, particularly AGI, raises questions about responsibility, accountability, and bias. One pressing concern is the potential for AI systems to perpetuate and amplify existing societal biases. AI algorithms trained on biased datasets may exhibit these biases in their decision-making processes, leading to unfair outcomes. Another concern is job displacement as AI systems become capable of performing tasks previously done by humans. While some argue that AI will create new jobs, others fear widespread unemployment and economic inequality. Addressing these concerns requires proactive measures like retraining programs and social safety nets. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has been vocal about AI's potential impact on society. In a cryptic tweet, Altman hinted at OpenAI's advancements pushing us closer to the AI Singularity. His tweet sparked widespread speculation and debate about the implications of such a development. Altman's tweet, "The singularity may be closer than we think," was met with excitement, trepidation, and skepticism. Some saw it as a sign of a major breakthrough in AGI, while others cautioned against overhyping current AI capabilities. The tweet highlighted the rapid pace of AI development and the profound questions it raises about humanity's future. Public reaction to Altman's tweet underscored the complex and polarized views surrounding AI. Predictions about AI's future range from utopian visions to dystopian scenarios. While the future remains uncertain, it's crucial to discuss AI's potential benefits and risks to shape its trajectory positively. One prediction is that AI will advance exponentially, leading to increasingly sophisticated systems. These systems could revolutionize industries like healthcare, transportation, education, and entertainment. AI-powered diagnostics and personalized medicine could lead to breakthroughs in disease prevention and treatment. Self-driving cars and intelligent traffic management could reduce accidents and congestion. However, these advancements come with risks, raising concerns about accountability and control. Ensuring AI systems remain aligned with human values requires careful consideration and ethical frameworks. In conclusion, Rapid AI advancements, particularly by OpenAI, have propelled us into uncharted waters, bringing us closer to the AI singularity. The potential benefits of AGI are vast, promising to revolutionize industries and solve global challenges. However, these advancements come with inherent risks that must be carefully considered and mitigated. As we navigate the complex landscape of AI development, it's crucial to prioritize ethical considerations, ensure transparency, and foster collaboration. We must strive to develop AI systems aligned with human values, promoting fairness and equity. The future of AI reflects the choices we make today. By embracing a thoughtful and responsible approach, we can harness AI's transformative power to create a brighter future for all.